Morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. I'm very special and I'm shooting these videos on Sunday. So this is my boat here, all shows. So technically I want to do some morning routine. You know, it's been a while, you know, sometime guys, even I didn't remember, like I have shoes, you know, in my house, jackets like this. We have another one right here. Look. So on this vlog, that's how it starts. Doing some cleanness at the same time, birds, you know, are singing melodious song here, others love song. But anyway, Bruno, good morning. There's no single day I'll never say hello. Every day is to say hello to you, you know. So that's my brother helping me. Monorata. Yeah. You see then my brother. You see when my brother, he was washing their shoes, I think clothes. So today it's on Sunday and we normally do morning routine, and it's common guys. At the same time it's life, you know. Okay. You know. Yeah, let's see how the day go, man. So maybe it was your very first time coming across to my channel. And my name is Halobeba Official, for those who are new here. And I normally do village lifestyle, you know, showing you how things there in my village, going around. Sometimes I do traveling vlog when I get a chance, maybe going to the capital city of Kenya, which is Nairobi. I go to Mombasa, Kisumu when I get a chance, or when I have money and I feel like I personally wanna, you know, travel for vacation 2 to 3 days. I just came back home, you know. Sometimes it's good to fresh your mind. So anyway, that's how my day starts, you know. And my hair, it's looking shagala bagala, so it's close to 1 month I didn't doing the touches of my dread, you know. So it's because of time. When I get time I will go, but right now I just concentrate how to build my African mom house, and it's to update you. By Monday, officially, the mason will be here, and no pressure on that. So, on these videos, I don't know whether I'll start by washing my clothes. This jacket here, you see, another one right there. And most of you suggest, oh hello baby, just keep this jacket, the blue one, it's good for traveling. Yeah, I get you guys. Sometimes I take your comments serious. And yeah, I have nice shoes here. Oh man, look at this. You know, this J4 Jordan, but I think it's J4. I want to wash it right now. And yeah, in Kenya here, this one goes to 4,500. These shoes that you see here, and it's more expensive, but sometimes it's good, you know. When you buy expensive stuff, it lasts for the long time, you know. At the same time, I have this, Hey, oh my god, look, it's known as Timberland, you see. Yeah, you know, these shoes I bought in the year of 2024, last year, you know, and it's still new. It's because I didn't have time, you know, to wear shoes here and there. So my brother helped me to fetch water here and I do some courses what are necessary to do. In our village here, guys, the good thing, no machine, no nothing. We normally use the manpower, you know. We use our hands to wash clothes, to wash utensils, you know. We use our hands to wash, you know, like even to do manually work, you know. But I know like outside of the country we normally use machine. Even nowadays in our country here, people use machine for washing clothes or laundry and other stuff. And I think even majority of people in my village, like in Nyabohanse, they have a machine to wash clothes. But I think 20%, but 90% we normally use manpower, you know. And you had the cock. Right now it's 8:42, you know, AM. That's my local time. So I want to prepare myself. Maybe anytime when I get a chance, I want to travel a little bit. I will find my shoes. It's very clean. And also my clothes, you know. Yeah. And sometimes my mama do wash my clothes when I was busy. But when I get time, I wash my clothes. Like today, I decide to wash it. So you fetch, I need more water because we're gonna start by washing shoes, and then from that, all clothes, whichever the case. These jackets, you know, 3 of them. This green, yellow one, and blue one. Yeah, I'm scared when I don't know whether this shirt is clean, but I'm totally scared about my white shoes. Amani michangi ilikuwa humo. Usijichafue viatu vyangu. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
How was everything?
It was fine.
Okay. So go in the kitchen. You bring the small stool. You know me, I can't wash, like when I was starting washing clothes, I supposed to sit down. You know, like bending like this, it's very tough for me. Go and bring some small stool. Hola. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Okay. So guys, if could were you, where did you going to start? Washing shoes or washing those jackets? Let me know in the comment section. Washing shoes first or those jackets? If could were you, and you just wake up early in the morning like this, we're doing some courses that are necessary to do it. Anyway, for me, I will start by washing these jackets, you know. And also I need to buy some, when I get money, I will buy some cupboard of storing of my clothes, because I realized I threw my jacket on a bucket, you know, and it's very tight. So I need to buy some, when I get money, I'll buy the cupboard, and then I store my clothes. What do you think? We sit there?
Anyway.
Okay, for me, let me sit there. Let's go. Guys, I want to start by washing full of my jackets. Mm. Okay. Like that. Right. So guys, this is my soap here, and I soak my jacket. Show them down here. Malika. It's been a while. Sometimes I feel so lazy. You know, my mama like she was normally washing my clothes and like you know, things like that. So here I'm too lazy. You're supposed to add. When you are too lazy, you can't even wash your jacket. Here, I'll wipe by using some, I think this stuff here. In our language, it's known as the doki. Tamarkano kuna nini? I'll show you guys this OG jacket. There's some places we can wash or some parts, and there's some parts which we didn't wash. You know. You see, here we use manpower, guys. Honest. Like that. We come in the collar parts here. Life in the village, not what we expected. There. Ooh. Show them here. So like inside here, where there's some green place, we wash it. See? And then we use this. Where's my soap? You know the reason why bin? I don't know. It's not leather. How do you call this? Leather or?
It's a carpet.
It's something like a carpet.
Yeah.
If you wash by using energy and hands here, it will fade. Alright? So here, show them. This. Like that. Bruno, calm down. I'm washing clothes, Bruno. They think like I'm chopping meat. You know my dog. Bruno, calm down. Ikit dek angkat. Hah? Dek atas. Suppose dog. Okay guys, I finished washing this. Show them right here. So I'm on this, you know. Life in the village. Hey, this, huh? They are not hot. Cheerful. This one, hey, it's something else. But I will manage. You know. Guys, slowly, and right now I'm on this blue jacket here, and I have already finished that one. So the only work that remaining here is to rinse the jacket after this, and then I wash my shoes. So anytime maybe when I get friends taking me outside, they're like, hello baby, today we're gonna go for the vacation or for outing some hours, and then we came back home. You know, I can maybe pick or choose one of the jackets on my body, and then boom, you know. So show them here. Most of the people normally love this jacket because of the color. Imechafuka kweli. This one I had to stand. Let me open here. Oh my God. This one is very lighter to wash it rather than other jacket. This one very light, very. But of the rest, oh, I wash until I feel my fingers paining. I love the blue color. Even my mom's house, outside I will paint blue. Because I'm a lover of the blue stuff. You see, even my bike, maybe in the future when I get money, I will buy blue car for my family. You know, blue is shiny. Guys, that's my brother right there, who was my cameraman. So let me finish this, and then after rinsing that one, the bigger shoes is to wipe, but the white one is to wash them right there. So anyway, as you keep watching these videos, give more like and let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. For me, maybe it could be my morning, not it could be, this must be my morning routine in the village as a village boy, you know. So anyway, stay tuned. Guys, it's time to wash shoes, and I think I'll start by washing this, alright? Bruno, calm down. I'm doing my chores here. Oh my god. Tricky situation. And then we come for the shoes, you know. I don't think kama nitamaliza. Let me see what I'm inside here, you know. Yeah, inner sole. All right, let's go. It's time to wash my shoes. See guys. and I must be very keen. You know. Oh my God. Yeah. When my time reach, I want to go to US. I'll come with these shoes one day. Yeah.
You're in the US.
Yeah. Like US. You think I'm joking? That's my dream. Also to Jamaica. Tayane kira tigo koro mahoro fazini. You see, you can't jog around with these shoes. It's more expensive, you know. $50. Ha, not easy. But I know in America, this one you can buy around $100, even to $50. But in our village here, only $50 you own a boot, a shoes, a nice one, classic. Like this one here, no say. No say. My brother, you need the shoes like this?
Yeah.
Pause here. Guys, this one is to wipe here and then I wash down because, you know, it's clean. And these classic shoes, you don't want to mess up with these shoes. Only wipe. Kumbe nkura kire rangi.
Nanda masuguro rangi serious.
Oh my God.
Tema kona marba ko hansi ko ko benda sudah bisa.
Maka tuna ukioki.
Toto nang ko tema temi ko pena tu kilo mau pang sembr kan.
Show them. I wash around here. No. What do you think? I wash down? Down's supposed to be washed, bro. Down. When I step.
Baka na ito. Ito ko ito.
Use a stick. You do like this, alright?
kutupeka kwa maisha hivi.
Well, that one is okay. Alright guys, so the remaining work is to rinse some jackets, and also I think the shoes is ready. At the same time, also them to rinse, look, from here, the one here, right here, anyway, we shall meet on the next vlog. And even I haven't taken my breakfast, That's my cousin right there. I wash clothes. Shagala bagala. So here. But the shoes, I will take them inside the house, in our compound. Hapo mba kutoa miguu viatu ingia hapo juu. I try my best, 10 over 10. Take a do. Okay, Migu Chanek. Okay, hold like that. Me, I'm telling you, 100% American bro, So when I grew up, my mama told me, when you want to dry your clothes, you must twist inside camp like that. Okay? Then we do like this. See that? Oh my God, it's very heavy. Very heavy. Oh! Finally. So this is the remaining one. Alright, introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Nebi Prize. Yeah.
Okay, check him out, guys. So he starts another channel because the first one have been hacked. So he can't also to access like uploading videos. So he needs to start fresh from 0 subscriber, guys. If you wish and like support him by subscribing, subscribe. Take him to 1,000 subscriber, guys. You know, even from 100, 400, 600, 700 up to 1,000. You know, I really appreciate, guys. So anyway, stay tuned. Alright, guys, I take the soap here, and today I'm gonna wash my bike. I personally, you know. So look. Okay, I think maybe fetch water and then we bring it here. Today's to wash alone my baby because I have no money to take to the car wash. So I decided to wash I personally, and my cousin will be my cameraman. So let me look for the scrubbing stuff. Yeah, we have the brush right here. Guys, for me I think we have the soft one, not this one. We have the soft scrubbing stuff, but my mind told me one day put it here, and for the reasons I didn't see anything, so I'll wash with that one. Even that one is soft. So that's my daily work, is to wash the bike. I'm trying to figure out, I think maybe it will stand here. I'm going to okay, let's go. So there's some stuff that I'm trying to figure out, like a timber, and then the stand of the bike I will place it on top. Yeah, I'm telling you, today's are serious. morning routine, you know. Okay. Yeah, I think this one. Yeah, replace it, and then the stand for the bike, sit on top. You see the magic that I'm going to do. A magic. I think I'll put it where. So I'm about Hi. Okay. Hold it for me like this. Then I'll show you guys the magic one. You see? Like that. Okay, here. Do like that. I put this one. I'm gonna do I personally. You know? Today, guys. The Makandani. So I'm gonna go on. Okay. Go and look for the jug, you bring it here. So the jug is to curing. Today I'm washing my baby, I personally. When it's good, I'll do it every day. Yeah, man. You know, personally, because taking $1 every, after maybe 3 days per week, washing it's very difficult. At the same time, my bike needs to be fuel, gasoline or fuel. In American language, it's known as gasolino, and in British language, it's known as petrol. I want to fuel my bike. I want to put gas. Other people say gas, other people say gasolino. Like mostly the interior part of the American, they said gasolino. Okay, guys. I want to do like this. That one. Just pull them. We start by washing the engine part here. See right here. And I want to wash with a lot of careful, because Sometimes you wanna find some sharp place, you mess up with your fingers. I wash it slowly, guys. Me, nothing to rush on it. See, guys. Okay, guys, now inside here, it's supposed to do like that. Tarhamra. I'm a comedian. Okay, guys, so now now I'm on this side here. Show them here. Oh, she's there. Now I'm a car washer. Got the brush. To ten one. Now everything looks nice. I show them here. Cameraman. You know, right now, look how my baby looks like, super clean. So anyway, I'm heading to the outside toilet. I want to do some other cleaning. And also I see my battery went off, but I don't know how we manage it. You know, that's my home. And I'm creating these videos on Sunday. So yeah, water is coming. Let me go this way. When the battery went off, guys, but I will show you at the end of the result how things looks like. See? So my work here is to clean the toilets. I've been told yesterday somebody came here with shoes. Step, you can see the mark, but I don't know. If I'll find one, they'll do some cleanness inside here. Okay. So I'm gonna start from here because these birds are throwing some leaves here. Guys, I'm in Border Town right now, and let me have a seat here. So, you know, guys, I was buying this Sensodyne for my sisters because, again, she was crying about the teeth. So I tried to buy this, and if you know, maybe the importance of this Colgate, known as Sensodyne, you know. Causes of sensitivity, pain, tine holes, dental, fact, acting formula, quickly crickets. Hey. Anyway, I'm taking there, and I'm in Border Town, so that's how it looks like. See, guys, and my bike is just over here. This is my friend. Right now, no job, you know, because the boundary have been closed. Tanzania have, you know, chaos, full of chaos. So just chilling here. What's your main purpose to be here? How do I help you? How can I help you? Nakusaidiaje? Huh? How should I help you? Be honest.
I'm honest.
Okay. How should I help you? Guys, and what you know, my view is raw and uncut, nothing to be hide. What should I help you?
With what?
Yeah?
With what? But I'm okay.
What do you ask me? Tell my people because I'm serious.
With what? But I have already told you now. You can tell them.
Speak to my people. You tell me I personally, and I want you speak to my people. Because your problem is not my problem. How should I help you? Guys, should I analyze this? You know, this guy when I was passing here, he calling me, hey, hello baby, and I stopped here. So because I was buying this medicine and he need a help of fertilizer, alright? Sini ukweli, usunataka mbolea?
Yeah.
Around 50 kg. It goes to $30. Imagine, guys. So he asked me about the fertilizer, and me right now I didn't have money. I'm building at home, and yeah, if maybe, you know, only $30 you can buy fertilizer, and then you top up to your maize. Okay. Don't fear. God will open the door. You get it soon. Okay, guys. I'm heading home right now, and let's go. So this is Border Town, and yeah, I do buy medicine for my sister. Actually, Colgate, you know. Total. Wow, man. Things are nice. Alright guys, I'm back home and I bought this Sensodyne for my sister. So it's clinically prevents fast sensitivity relief, dairy protection with twice daily brushing. It means my sister she's supposed to brush in the morning hour and also evening hour. We have Colgate, we have White Dents, you know. We have another one known as Pepsodise, you know. We have another one known as Herbal, you know, Colgate. So this one, I decided this because I don't know. I wanna see the important when my sister used, and when she gave me the result, she was feeling okay. I have no problem. So that is it. And I'm still waiting her because she was not around. I don't know where she was heading to, you know. Yeah man. Even I feel like, let me say hello to my great grandma, because it's been a while, you know, close to 2 months. I think 1.5 months, you know. But the real sense is there's somebody who's staying here. So one of you will ask me, hello baby, what's up? When we are building this house, you told me no one who's staying there, don't build. I'm telling you, according to our culture, there is somebody staying here. And remember, this place, it could be a bigger hole where my brother makes some bricks, but we cover it. When I was removing the soil from there, we transfer to this place, you know. Yeah man, we bring the hard-working lady here, you know. Yeah, but in fact, the way I love this place, they have been, you know, padlock, you know. That's the cave. I don't know where my great grandma, you know, buried right there. Okay, I wanna get out of this place because the owner, she's a lady and she was you know, not around, so I'm supposed to go that way and see how things go. Oh, this guava tree is here. You know, when my great grandma, she was alive, I normally, you know, come around on this banana and then chuguru peel it here, you know. So let's see how the day will start by tomorrow, and I need like 90% to be sure. I'm waiting the mason to be here because right now Tanzania, there is full of chaos, chaotic and all stuff. So I decided to my engineer decided to choose some mason who he normally work with him in Mabera. So Mabera is one of the market that we have here where we are going to sell goats, cow, sheep, chicken. So he know other squad. So they will be here on Monday morning, which is tomorrow. And I need to see the foundation raised up. You know, I'm so happy, man. When I see my house going up and up, you know, it's not my power, it's by God's grace and it's by God's power. And guys, what can I say is, if you feel free, guys, support me with anything you support, you know, because right now we have sand, we have stones, we have machine cuts, blocks right there. So anything that you feel, if maybe it's one bag of nails for the roofing, I'll buy, and then I'll make a video, I'll store in my store. If you feel like you wanna support with roofing nails, like for hammering on the iron sheet, because we have two categories, for the hammering on the timber and then also for hammering on the iron sheet. So if you feel like one bag, some kg, I'll keep it. And also, guys, if you feel like you want to support with maybe 10 iron sheets, 20, 100, and actually the house will consume 130 iron sheets. So one iron sheet goes to $25. I'm just update you earlier. If my mom's house will touch you and you feel like you want to support, you support, guys. My number is on my bio. You can reach me out and then contact, and then we put things together so we can see whether I can finish my mama house. Because right now the good thing is I put everything on the ground, not crying. So when I build, when the house maybe reach here, I stop, or here, guys, you already know my pocket reach there. But even right now I'm pushing, you know. So should I sing this, guys? You know, let me be honest, guys, I took my logbook for my bike, I placed it on the bank, so they give me money on credit or in a debt way. But there's some month that we agree, maybe from December, I want to start make the payment, and then they can give me the license for my bike or the logbook for my bike. You know, in America they say license, but for us we say logbook for my bike. So I go there, I put on my bike, I sign the agreement and everything. They give me closer to I think $300. So that money is still pushing. When it stop, I'll stop there, guys. You know what I mean? The good thing, I don't want maybe to lie. No. I hate that. So since day one, I'm straightforward, honest guy. So look, by tomorrow, you'll see some changes, guys. You see right there? So by tomorrow, you'll see. Even I think from yesterday and today, people came here to ask for the job. I told them, man, you know what? The mason didn't arrive or didn't attend at my mom's construction site. I don't know why I'm saying at my construction site, and of which is not my house. It's my mom's house. But anyway, it's our home. So it's my construction site. I'm the one who controlling it. Wow, that is my brother's maze. So that's how everything it is. And yeah, so this house has some memory. When you see from starting up to the end, when I will go to put iron sheets and everything, painting, tiling, you already know how this house comes from far. I'm supposed to be hammering here some nail here. And down below, I put some stuff there. So by tomorrow, I'll work on that. Before the mason arrived, the handmen, they're supposed to do those jobs. You know? Okay. Let me check my brother's maze, how he's doing, you know. Yeah, guys, we are hard working. Look, my brother right now, he went to school, he left the maize, he's doing well, and he only waits the maize to be germinate or to mature and then harvest. That is it. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so proud of my brother, what he did, and especially I'm frontline to my family. You know, I do what necessarily I'm supposed to do, because if I do something wrong, also my young sibling will do something the same something wrong. But I'm in front line, showing them the reality, and showing them to be good on a good behavior. We're supposed to do this, we're supposed to do that, you know, man, you know. And like, we try to chase hunger in Africa, we plant maize. So maybe if he can get 10 bags of maize from here, he left maybe 2 for consuming food on the table, and the rest will selling, and maybe paying the school fees, you know. That's the main purposes. Yeah. And this lady, she was put the high amount of money on this land to be sold, and I told her, you just reduce 1.3 million. No one can give you that money. If it could be around 600 or 700 Kenyan shillings, you will get quick and fast. And also, she was selling me on that trees around $30. That one right there. And I think this month I'm supposed to pay her, and I do a video, and my mama will be the part of the witness. I'll buy this tree, we'll stay here until when I'll start roofing my mama house. I'll cut these splitting timbers. So she was selling me at around $30, 30 USD. This tree is right here, and it's so big, you know, it's so big. Look, let me go closer. You can able to see. You see how it's big it is? Look, so big. So anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate, and if maybe I do something wrong on this part of the videos, kindly guys, we are a human being. Sometimes we do mistake, and we just over here as a human being, you know, to correct me. Like, hello baby, here on this part you do a mistake, it's supposed to be like this, like that, and I take your comments serious. So without you guys, I couldn't be here, maybe demolishing my mama house, building the modern one house, you know. Even that house, when I demolish, it can't stay here for the long time, maybe around 5 years, and then the house fall down, because those people, they were being pushing like this, and then the house, it's my evidence on my videos. So the one that I'm going to build for my mama, it's the standard house and forever. So yeah, I think so. That one is number 1. And also include visitors room, and also my sister's room, my mama room. That's the master bedroom. That's for my mom. And also, because of the space, guys, I build a standard one. If you could have enough field, I could build a bigger house, and also even me, I could have that, like, I could have my room there. But because of the space, and according to our culture, my dad was being buried on that compound, so I don't want to left my dad there. So that is it. Anyway guys, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Let's check it on tomorrow's videos. I hope my mason will be here, guys, because as I said, I don't want to lie, and I know most of you are waiting me to raise, like, to keep raising the house up, you know, right here. So guys, let's see you on tomorrow's videos, guys. I love you. Bye.